It's one thing to watch the BOXABL Casita unfold on social media. It's another thing entirely to look at the engineering keeping it together. Today, we are giving you an official look at the raw structural specs, material science, and real-world energy efficiency of the Casita. Here is everything you need to know about the BOXABL Casita. We are now inside a 361 square foot living space. And what makes this space feel elegant and spacious is the 9-foot 6-inch high ceilings. Take Jacob, for example. He's 6'2", and even for him, the Casita is beyond spacious. With this much clearance, he's got plenty of room to move around without ever feeling cramped. But what are the walls made of? How energy efficient are they for different climates? And what are the wind loads? The panels start with expanded polystyrene foam core for insulation. Laminated wood frames the panels for structural support. Industrial grade adhesive is added to both sides. The interior layer is a magnesium oxide board, which is stronger and more durable than drywall. The exterior layer is galvanized steel for weather resistance and durability. It is then vacuum pressed to create an extremely airtight seal. Gaskets are used between the interlocking panels. These gaskets help prevent air leaks, improve energy efficiency, keep out moisture and dust, and reduce noise from the outside. For the roof, an EPDM membrane for waterproofing and weather sealing is added. Finally, all-weather flashing tape is used to seal all connecting points and seams where the walls meet. Now, how energy efficient are these walls? Well, the best way to measure that is through the R-value system. Most traditional built homes have R values between 13 and 23. BOXABL has an R23 value, meaning the Casita is on the higher, more energy efficient side right out of the factory. In regards to wind loads, the Casita is designed to resist wind loads up to 115 miles per hour in exposure B conditions, which is suburban or urban areas with trees and buildings, and about 127 miles per hour in exposure C conditions, which is open areas with few obstructions like flatland or shorelines. The roof can handle 31 pounds per square foot for the standard flat roof design. Here is a fun test we did where we dropped a car on the roof and then stacked 6 cars on top of it. The Casita is an absolute beast. A pitched roof option can be added, which significantly increases the snow load capacity. Back in the Casita, we have a great spot for a queen-sized bed with a large window. All windows are double-pane vinyl windows and provide the space with plenty of light. Next, you have the washer-dryer combo, which is a space-saving all-in-one appliance, with the hookups right behind it. The spacious bathroom is another favorite of our customers. The bathrooms come fully built and installed with quality fixtures and cabinetry, offering a modern, functional, and comfortable space right out of the box. Now the star of the show. The kitchen is a modern, efficient space equipped with quality appliances designed for compact living. It includes a full-size refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a microwave, and a stainless steel sink. When it comes to lighting, the Casita features energy-efficient LED lighting throughout, providing bright, long-lasting illumination while using minimal electricity. The Casita Studio is designed with a 100-amp electrical panel. It runs on a 240-volt electrical service with standard 120-volt outlets inside for all of your everyday devices. Connecting the Casita to power requires hooking up to your site's electrical system, which is set up by your contractor. Your BOXABL home advisor or contractor can help determine any additional requirements based on your local climate and codes. In regards to plumbing, BOXABL Casitas come with a fully pre-plumbed system, including water supply and drainage lines, factory installed for quick, hassle-free setup.
The contractor was there just for the day to get it set up. We clicked on the power and all the power worked. Went inside, the water worked, it was all ready to go.
For hookup, you'll need to connect the unit to your site's water and sewer systems. It's a plug-and-play process once your site has been properly set up. And the magic that brings it all together is how we ship the Casita to customers. Once each unit passes final inspection, it folds down into a compact package measuring just 19 feet long 8 feet 6 inches wide and 12 feet 4 inches tall. From there, it's wrapped for protection and loaded onto a truck for delivery. Because of the folding design, up to 2 casitas can be shipped on a single truck, creating a more efficient way to transport housing. The folding and shipping aspect of the casita is what makes scalable housing possible. By making transportation more efficient, BOXABL can continue pursuing its mission of helping address housing demand in a meaningful way while delivering quality materials and quality living. Finally, how do you customize your casita with cladding and roofing options? BOXABL provides the core casita unit with standard exterior cladding and a flat roof, but contractors usually handle additional customization, like installing different cladding or alternative roofing styles to fit your preferences or local building codes. And the best way to start is to watch the next video that covers cladding and roofing for your casita. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more casita content.